Hey guys, so right now it's 5:48 in the morning and we are heading out right now to arrive to our destination. So I'm kind of tired. I didn't get that much rest because I was getting like the other stuff done, like packing and whatever. I'm tired though, so tired. But I'll see you soon, probably in the car somewhere there, but I'll see you soon. We have arrived to our destination. Samantha, say something. Nah, she's in her oral right now. We have arrived at our destination. We're just chilling right now. It's so hot, but it looks really nice. This new setup they made. Y'all can sleep here. Samantha's here. Hold on. Look at the left.
I gotta make it slip. Happy 4th of July! We're crazy here. So guys, we're in the pool right now, relaxing. Some people just got out, but my sister's back there. And we are having fun so far. It's been a fun time. Oh, there's a bug here. Oh my god, there's a bug right there. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying your 4th of July too. Soon we're gonna get ready and do the fireworks. What? 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 Dad, your back is red. Say hello. Hello. Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. Ah, she licked me. Abby, she licked my mouth. Look, Abby. Look, Abby. Abby, look. Abby. Look. She's gonna lick me. Look, Abby. He looks like a poodle, but I don't know her breed. Where? Right there. Where is it? Right there. What is it? It's a shoe. Oh, shoe just scared me. Oh, that scared me. Bro, I got so scared. I got so scared that my camera went like this. It went.
Snail.
Look at the snail. Yes, I see it. It's a big snail. Look at the big snail. Wow. Wow. Okay, so we have spent the day in the in the pool and spending time with friends and family, and now we're out here trying to find somewhere where to take pictures. There's like a lake here and it's pretty, but since it started to rain, look how pretty. It started to rain. The clouds are not helping, but we are trying to find somewhere where to take pictures. But we've been having a nice time so far. What? Yeah, I know, again. It's starting to rain. Oh, look, I look a little bit tan, do I? I don't know. We got a little bit burnt. A little bit. Just a little bit. I got you good! Look at her! Abby! She's tired. Abby, look over here. Oh, she wants to play. She's so smart.
You tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Alright, here's your card. Don't show it to me.
Wait, did I pick it up?
Yeah, you pick it up, don't show it to me. Show it to whoever you want. Alright. And then put it inside here and shuffle it as much as you can.
I put them in.
Yeah, just shuffle it. Yeah, don't.
I'm so scared. Oh wait, it's gonna fall. I'm so scared. I feel like this is not gonna work.
Just do it. Shuffle it and.
I don't want to shuffle this.
Just shuffle your own way.
Whatever, you know what?
Yeah. Alright, so you put your card in here. It's in here, right? You didn't keep it. Okay. We're gonna find out. So then
This is so perfect. Oh my gosh.
Here, hold on to the card. There, we're gonna put Alright. It is. Got it. Oh no, wait.
Oh my gosh.
This one. That's the B. This is your card.
No.
Alright, so put your hand. You should be sitting down, but you just sit down there and just put your hand. So that's not your card.
No.
Alright, so you put your right hand on it.
hang on this?
Yeah.
I'm so scared.
So this is your card? You sure? And that's not your card? And you say you're positive? All right, so now you're gonna put your right hand on this card. This is your card. That's your card, look. Make sure we got a good... All right, so now I'm gonna give her cards and you tell me when to stop.
For me?
Yeah.
Okay, stop.
All right, this is your card.
Can I see it? Yes.
And you can see it, don't show it to me.
Wait.
You can show it to your friends, your family, your loved ones.
Look.
You can tweet it.
Look, guys. This is my card. Okay, a ver si my card. Yeah, okay, now what I do?
All right, so now go ahead and shuffle it in there.
Shuffle it.
You can have everybody shuffle it a little bit.
Oh my god. If you can shuffle, you shuffle it.
Yeah, just like mix it up so you think that I can. I'm gonna shuffle them as well.
Okay, we do it.
Ellos pican con ropa y todo.
You almost? Don't worry, I'll remind you.
I remember, don't worry.
Do you remember seeing it?
No, he wasn't here.
Oh, you weren't here?
I remember.
This is the card.
No,
That's not the card?
no, it's not.
Oh, okay.
Don't say
Okay, your
Krystal.
right hand. So you put your right hand.
I was like,
But you'll bet 20 bucks? If you have. So that's not your card. Must be this one.
No.
That's not it?
No, it's not it.
Okay, so you put your left hand. Then it's this one.
No.
And it's not those.
No.
Okay, you bet money. I'm already at $60. 20, 20.
Oh my god.
And I get 20 more. And it's not this one. And it's not this one in here. Or this one. And if I do this,
Oh my god.
I'm scared.
Krystal, go. Which one? 3C. Yeah, it's that one.
What?
Wow. 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 Wow.
¿Sí? ¿Te cogí? Careful. Look at these. Look at those. Boy, I'm going to miss you. Where's your ball? I gave it to you. It's right here, mira. Mira, Abby. Mira que aquí está. Abby. Aquí está. Mira. Dale.